Hello guys! Hello everyone! And welcome back sa ating channel. At syempre, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas pa lang ng Chimchachoy. So, yung ating pupuntahan ay isang parte ng Kowloon Park dito sa Chimchachoy. Isang malaking part na kung tutuusin sa Hongkong side part o Hongkong part ay masasabi natin quite beautiful din yung park na ito guys sa umpisa pa lang. So paglabas natin ng Chimchachoy MTR, syempre exit 1 tayo. So pinili ko ang likod at para mismo sa tapat nito ay makita natin yung ating mga dadaanan. So syempre ang Kowloon Park was formerly the site of the Whitfield Barracks of the British Army during the war, and with a former battery, and this is a Kowloon West II Battery and the northwestern part of the park. So sa bukana pa lang, syempre marami na tayong makikita dito ng mga overseas worker na international. Syempre nandiyan yung Indonesians, Pakistan, Nepalese, Filipino. Mostly yung part na ito ay hangout ng mga different kind of OFW and overseas workers sa iba't ibang panig ng ating mundo. At dito pa lang sa bukana guys, makikita natin ang ating mga kababayan. Syempre sa sobrang init, so kailangan mong humanap ng lugar para doon ka mag-stay at makuha mo na makapagpahinga ka during your day off. So because malapit lang yung ating school or ay syempre dumaan muna tayo dito sa Kowloon Park. Syempre mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung flamingos dito, yung mga bright pink flamingos na famous dito sa Kowloon Park. But before that guys, syempre dito muna tayo sa Patalastas. The park area actually pretty nice. It gives another vibes of busy and modern Hong Kong city. And there are several areas with different facilities and style. And start from bird and also fountain, museum, mosque, until swimming pool area na continue lang. At we've been there before in the swimming pool. Malaki talaga siya yung area niya. Pero during that pandemic, hindi na buksan kasi syempre that's dangerous for everyone. So even though myself then na-experience ko yung swimming pool, I think lahat na yata ng swimming pool dito napasok ko at nakapag-swimming din ako. So even located on heart of Chimchachoy, you still can enjoy the vibes of nature here. Yan, katulad na sinabi ko, like a bird sounds or water sparkling. At syempre dadalhin ko kayo mamaya sa Flamingos na pupuntahan natin guys. At napakaganda rin yung mga bright flamingos, yung mga kulay nila. And I love how you see people from different backgrounds relaxing. And I love the Indonesia and Philippine people getting together during Sunday, which probably happen to be their off days. And there are many people enjoying the park. Yun nga, the birds and sang rather loudly.
But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun?
The Kowloon Park is the largest park in the Kowloon area, and the park has a total 13.3 hectares in 1861, and is the base in the British Whitfield Barracks. The Kowloon Park was opened in June 24, 1970. I was mentioned that already sa ating pag-uumpisa pa lamang. I think so, but I won't remember, but that is really nice.
Swimming in this deep, deep blue. my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves.
Maraming naglalakihang mga puno, and also kapag nakita na natin yung sign na to, dito na tayo sa flamingos, yung bright pink color ng flamingos, guys. Kung sa Central o Hongkong part ay mayroon ding different kind of birds, dito naman may pagmamalaki ang flamingos. Syempre, flamingos, the flamingos is just walking under the shades of so many trees na surrounding by them. It's very nearby at marami kang makikita na mga flamingos talaga, and different kinds of birds din na nagtitweet sa'yo. Ayan, so that's quite nice to take to look at them na ganyan, kasi ang haba pala ng mga legs nila, at saka yung tubig na tinutungtungan nila is mababaw lang, pero once na nag-open sila talaga ng kanilang pakpak, sobrang malaki din, at amazing, talagang na-amaze ako sa mga flamingos na nakikita ko ngayon, yung mga bright flamingos niyan. Pink color po yan, hindi siya white ha, pink color yan. At dito naman sa kabila is may birds din siya. May nakita pa nga ako dito, bird's nest din. A different kind of birds naman to, pero hindi ko siya masyadong nakita kung anong klaseng birds pa yung nandoon. At nasa taas pa yan na talagang pinuntahan ko at sinilip ko kung saan ba nanggagaling, but this one is only artificial small waterfalls, guys, at maganda siya, malinis din siya, at kailang I feel that na marami din talagang mga lamok na kumakagat sa atin. Akitin ko rin tong lugar na to, guys, kasi yung itaas nito ay isa siyang nandito yung mga birds talaga, but that's so beautiful, at saka so sobrang init, hindi ko na feel yung lamig ng tubig talaga. Ang ganda lang. Absolutely gorgeous, and if you like the sounds of birds, so you love it here. And there are quite a few species of birds here, and there are also singing. And there are also some lovely white cats na napansin natin kanina, but hindi ko siya nakuhanan ng video, guys. I thought nakuhanan ko siya ng video. So dito naman is makikita natin talaga is different kinds of birds na meron siya sa puno at meron din siya sa baba. So may mga ano sila, pugad na nakita ko talaga. Sobrang ingay at grabe. Kung makikita natin yung black color dyan sa side na yan. So birds din siya, and as you can see, guys, naglilipara lang talaga sila at nagsiswing. So nakakaawa, diba? Sabi nga ibon man may layang lumipad ay palayain, pero sila hindi, guys, nakakulong talaga sila. Yun lang, kawawa, nakakulong lang talaga sila dyan. At syempre hindi sila basta-basta mga ibon, at talagang nagsimula sila sa iba't ibang panig din kung saan sila kinuha talaga. Very expensive, I think so. So, yan ang pugad, kinuhanan ko siya kasi sabi ko siguro pugad ng Maya. Pero hindi, nakita ko para siyang malalaki siyang ibon talaga. Very, very nice, very green and peaceful place. Not the biggest part, but a welcome respite for residents to escape from the hustle and bustle of city. So, paglabas pa lang natin ng MTR, sobrang crowded na, at talaga naman hindi magkamayaw ang mga taong paruot at parito for them siguro shopping or maghanap ng mga restaurant na makakainan na masasarap. And there are many people enjoying the park here, at pinagmamalaki nila yung flamingos, yung mga birds sang rather loudly na maririnig natin. Kung makakapasyal kayo dito sa Hong Kong, wag niyong kalimutang puntahan itong Kowloon Park dito. Marami kayong makikita ng mga nagagandahang green space to run around, plus varied activities to keep the kids entertained, There's so much to see here. Marami kayo talagang makikita. You can either set an itinerary and print out a map before you go, or just wander around and be pleasantly surprised by all that you find. So marami talaga kayo makikita. Not only the green color, marami pang makikita talaga sa part na ito.
For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part.
So, yung highlights po ng Kowloon Park is meron pa dyang playground area with all the usual equipment, at meron din siyang 3-story tower where little knights and princesses will love to play pretend. At nature get you feel or animals and plants. At the Chinese garden, the birds lake with 200 birds including flamingos. And also the maze garden, the small aviary, and the many beautiful landscape walkways throughout the park. At syempre nandyan din ang Kowloon Park, ng swimming pool na makikita dito. So Sunday, head to Sculpture Park on so punta lang kayo dito if you have time. So maganda siya, may pagmamalaki na super ganda, napakalinis, greenery, and very good, recommended to those people like to see the greenery ambience of here in the Kowloon Park. So ganun lang guys, thank you so much. So Chimchachoy, exit 1 and turn left lang, continue, at makikita nyo na po ang Hongkong Park. So doon lang tayo. Thank you so much and God bless us all. See you soon. Bye.
This endless space. Fall